Hi there, in this video today I'm going to show you a few ways that you can prime the pump on your Nespresso coffee maker. So if you've taken it out of storage, it might be completely dry on the inside, and when you've gone to use it, there's no coffee coming out. This particular one here does have a fault that needs fixing, so I'm constantly having to prime it. But I was told about this technique and I think it's a really good one. So you might have already seen that you can do techniques where you blow up a balloon, and then what you can do is when the coffee machine is trying to bring the water through, you can blow up a balloon and you can put pressure on it there, and basically that might be enough to bring the water through. You can also use a Ziploc bag as well, so you fill the Ziploc bag with air and then you can force that in, and that might not be enough to put it through. But this was told to me on my other YouTube channel, my mate Vince's channel, and I tried it and it really does work. What I was told is, if you just keep repeatedly lifting up and putting down the water container at the back, then after you've done that about 30 times, it will bring the water through. I presume what's happening is because you've got the weight of water here, and I would say that the more water you have in here, the better, because you've got more weight of water pushing down. Every time you put it down, it must be just shoving through a little bit of water, because I can see air bubbles coming up. And by you doing that 30 times, then what it's doing is it's just putting a tiny bit of water through every single time you do it, and that should be enough to prime the pump. Unfortunately on this one right now, it is actually behaving itself. I've just made myself a little espresso here, so I can't show you it not working, but give it a go and put it down in the comments section on whether this technique worked or not. Or if you've got another technique that works better, then again, put it down in the comments section, because you will help other people out. Now, this isn't a long-term solution for a faulty machine, because otherwise you're just going to end up breaking the mechanism here. But if you've taken it out of storage, but apart from that it's all working fine, it could be a way that you could get your coffee machine working again if you don't want to use the balloon technique, or if you don't want to use the Ziploc bag technique. And also, if you could put down in the comment section, where are those air bubbles coming from? Does it mean that we're taking air out of here? Or is it just the action of putting this down that a tiny bit of air is getting trapped and getting shoved up here? But anyway, it appears to work on this machine, so hopefully it will work on yours as well. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and put down your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.